How to make channel on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a channel on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make channel on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to update the WhatsApp app to the latest version, because this could be a new feature. And now you can try opening the WhatsApp application here and then just go to the updates tab that you can find. Right here you can see channels that other people have created, and if you also want to create your own channel, you can tap the plus icon here, and here you'll find the option called find channels. Now in this case there should also be another option called new channel, but it is not showing up in mine. If you're lucky it could show up in yours, because in my case this feature has not rolled out in my region. They're still testing out this feature and only giving it to some selecting regions, but if you are eligible then you'll find a new channel option, and then you can select and tap on that, and then you'll be able to make a new channel in that regard. This way you'll be able to make channel on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.